Now I'm going to show you how to use this mogrt file. For that, first you go to Window, here Essential Graphic Panel, here open this panel here to open this Essential Graphic. For importing the mogrt files, you can simply click this icon here, or select the mogrt files and drag them to this Essential Graphic panel, and they will install to your computer. I create my sequence, bring in my video. Now choose one of these titles and callouts to use. For example, I choose this one. Click, drag and drop into your top timeline, and click on that mogrt file to open this edit panel. First, scale it down, place it here. Then open this text and change the scale it up a bit and change the color a bit brighter, or maybe this. And now I adjust the duration like this. Just drag the end of the layer and let's play. And that's it to use the titles. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy.